Hi! In front of me is OPPO A54s, and today I would like to show you how to add face data on this OPPO. Start by opening settings and scrolling down right away. Then choose password and biometrics, tap on add face and enter your current login method. When you're ready, you need to just continue over here and keep your face in frame. Over here you can adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, choose home button. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!